Heyo. Are you tired of visiting machines every time for stock availability? Don't worry. We have solution for your problem. Conventional system can be easily be upgraded by retrofitting new components. No costly replacement necessary. Owner can download and log into the app. Monitor sale in real time from anywhere. Owner will be notified when stock is less. When a customer make a purchase, information is passed via notification to owner. Customers after logging in can view products available in vending machines. Multiple payment options available for customers. Thank you.